Whenever you have a Lexus key and you want to copy, particularly this one, you can use Lonsdor to copy this to save you time and inventory. Okay, so let's say somebody comes with this. Do you know what you're gonna use? So you have to use, for this particular one, LT20-01 from Lonsdor. So you take out the board. Okay, this is the board you're gonna get. There is 4 buttons on the board. LT20-01 from Lonsdor. You take your KW100, the remote generator, you turn on. You have to know all this remote takes a 4D chip, so you can generate it using Lonsdor KW100. Make sure you put a battery in there. It takes 2032 before generation, so stick in your battery, and then you just put this like so, and then you go into quick generation. Okay, if it's all keyless, you have to use that one. That you have to go to the car, but since we're doing key, Lonsdor all there, so we're adding a key, so you're gonna go quick generation. You see here it says you can do 4D, 8A, and all these chips, all these different type of chips. Anything other than this, you have to use the other Lonsdor. Okay, so you're gonna go first. You're gonna go acquire the data from the original remote. You put that one here, so you're gonna say start. So it's not connected to Bluetooth, so you have to connect the Bluetooth. KW100 select. Once it's connected, you're gonna go back and then start. So play, cancel. Go back, start quick generation. You see successfully acquired. So when I flipped it, the acquired data is now done. So now you have to take this one off and put your Lonsdor board here and then say continue. Okay, and it'll come to this page. Make sure that your button formation is correct. So first one is lock, it's lock, then is unlock, then is unlock, and then trunk, and then panic, like so. So now your remote is you don't have to change any of these. If you need to change any of the buttons, you can do. Sometime you have a hatch, it could be at the bottom. Okay, so you can change that. And let's go start. So now this is gonna generate exact same remote as the customer remote. So when you go to the car, you know exactly that you have the right remote. Okay. It should take a minute. Okay, it's already done. So return, we're done. So now we're gonna go to the car and program it into the car. This was a Lexus RX 350 2013. So you go here, OBD is located right under here, it's right there. Okay, once you connect that one, you come into the car. So here's the new remote and this is the old one. We're gonna go for remote programming. You look for Lexus. So there is option, select from type or from vehicle, which is your choice. We're gonna go from type and we're gonna do PEPS and let's try type 3. Add a smart key. Make sure the battery is full. We already know since we put the battery. Okay, and they're full of charge. Insufficient power may cause failure. Okay, so what are you gonna say? You're gonna say okay. It says hold the generated. Since we are not using emulator or generated key, we're using actual key. The customer has one key, so we're gonna use that one against the engine start. Press until the dashboard lights up. Dashboard is light up. Okay, and now okay.
Wow,
like you can see, there is a count as 3 keys. So press OK. Hold the register key back closer to start button. So we're gonna hold it here. You have to hear 2 beeps. Okay, one beep, and then you hold the copy. You have to hear twice. There, 2 beeps. The key is programmed. So now we take the OBD out once it's finished. Now system is configured. You see now there is register keys are now 4. Used to be 3. Press OK and turn the ignition off. Check if the keys are working. So we're going to turn off. Take the OBD cable out. So this is our old key, this is our new key. You can see it locks, it unlocks, and panic works. And that's it. That's how you program using Lonsdor. 3-step, 5-second. Done. Thank you for watching. Keys are us. So we made the remote, all the function works. One thing we noticed is the trunk is not working. So what you have to do in that case, you put your remote here, and then you have to come to Lonsdor. So sorry, I'll go homepage so you know where to start. So you go special function, you're gonna go key settings, okay, and choose which one you use. You use LT20, LT30, FT remote, whatever, AB or regular smart key or XD smart key, whatever you use. So you're gonna go to that option, so LT20 here. Then you're gonna go into modify the button function, so you select that one. Okay, it has battery and everything, so that was the note that you saw there. So you see here I changed already the button to hatch. I realized this one, and I was like, let's make a video so people know how to do this. So lock, unlock, and it's a hatch because it's not a sedan, so it's not a trunk. So you have to use the hatch function and the panic. You don't have to change everything else, just you can go here and then choose if you want to change any of the buttons. For this case it was a hatch, so we changed to hatch. If you have a sedan, then it's going to be trunk, and if you use the trunk, it's not going to work for hatch, vice versa. Okay, so just to help you out with your programming. Thank you.